no they
This too now why you
with wetting my eyes they see yo. You know they funny again yo.
This too now why you
See me see wahala, see me see trouble. Akburuka which kind person you be yo? Even on you which kind person you be yo? Akburuka na small man with his small body yo. He no agree at all oh. He say he no go carry last oh. See me see wahala oh, wahala dey oh.
This too now why you
Akburuka and onyinye wetin be una problem oh hey.
This too now why you
Akburuka and onyinye mere no une ebere inanu
This too now why you
I never see this kind people oh. I beg make una careful oh.
This too now why you
Akburuka and onyinye wetin be una own oh. I no fit laugh oh. Make I just dey watch where these things go land oh. One day go be one day, una go kill una self oh. My hand in no day oh, my hand in no day oh. I dey ask Akburuka no onyinye.
But I don't like what is happening in this house. I don't like what is happening in this house. I have had it up to here. And I think it's high time all this nonsense in this house stopped. Bro, for crying out loud, you're a responsible man with a responsible job. Why jumping from Jessica to Grace to Blessing from one woman to another? I mean, you're not supposed to be doing this now. You're way more than this. Stop it already.
I don't get. Shut up.
Stop it.
Shut up. How dare you barge into my room to warn me? Are you mad? Are you stupid? What's your problem? Go get Capitol. To warn me? You barge into my room to warn me? Are you stupid? Are you crazy? Let me tell you something. Don't try this nonsense again.
I will keep trying it. Unless you stop. I will keep trying it for crying out loud. Why are you doing this? What is wrong with you, bro? Do you want to contract STDs? Is that what you want? Please.
Hey. Oh yeah. Don't push me. Don't push me.
The truth is
You're not my mother. You have no right to warn me. You have no right to instruct me in my house. This is my house. I own this house. I have every right to do whatever thing I want to do in my house. I have every right to bring as many girls as I want in my house.
You lie. I am not your mother, yes, but I am your sister. You cannot continue to misbehave with women for crying out loud. I don't like it. Okay, that one that you brought, I don't know what the issue you people had, and she went down to the down room. Do you know how she messed that place up? That girl is a pig. Even if you want to carry girls, now carry classy girls now. All these girls are very cheap girls that doesn't have class. Mess everywhere up. Her panties are there. She used the restroom. She couldn't flush it. What's that? And I'll be doing everything this. I won't do it. I'm not your maid.
Oh yeah, Kopolo. Forget about me in this house. I don't want this thing. I don't need it. I will send you back to the village.
You cannot, though. You cannot send me. See, I am here to stay. I have come here to stay because Father trained you to train us. Don't tell me that.
Oh really? I owe you nothing.
See, you owe me everything. Oh. You owe me everything.
Kangwage, let me tell you. Let me warn you. I can bring in as many guests as I want. I can do whatever thing I want in my house. If you're not comfortable with it, go back to the village.
I will chase them away. Try me again. Try me.
Okay, is that what you're telling me now? Okay, no problem. Okay, come we go at this house. Okay, I'll buy like that. Udo, I will teach you. Don't worry, I know what to do. Stupid girl. In my house. You got telling me I don't understand. In my own house. Okay. That's from Etiko. From Etiko. Nge ma ba ma o. Aba nko ma we ho na ya. No trouble. Uyela, Peg.
Why is this tray very dirty? Akburuka! Ow! What are you doing? Are you not stupid? Adelash, you woke up since 6:30. 6:30! And you've been washing. You call yourself a human being. You think you have sense? Do you have sense at all? What else do you know how to do in this house if not to lazy about, eat our food and then grow fat? Look at how you are, like puff puff. What else do you know how to do? I'm talking to you. Are you deaf?
No, I did wait for a greeting. I mean, I for reply.
You're very stupid. I should greet you. Look at this small rat. I should greet you as what? See, if you make me angry now, I will beat you to pulp. Idiot. Look at this tray. Very dirty. Are you supposed to have kept it here? I take. Go and wash. Go and wash it properly. What I mean properly. Properly. Don't waste my time.
It's not for scare my God. They use this thing eat there. I don't even wash them.
Eh? Do you want me to kill you?
Akburuka alonye, ona no go kill the person. This too na wire. Which kind people be this year? Wahala de this too.
What are you doing here? Get out!
Akburuka alonye, ona no go kill the person. This too na wire. Which kind people be this year? Wahala de this too na wire. Do me, I do you. God no go vex so they talk.
Big bro, breakfast is ready, yo.
You know they funny again, yo. This too na wire.
Alright, thank you.
I shouldn't sit with you.
I'm off to work, please.
Alright.
Allow me. What's the meaning of this?
What's the meaning of what?
What's the meaning of this rubbish?
Why are you calling rubbish? You don't like the bread or what? What's the problem?
I do not understand what's going on here. So you cannot even prepare ordinary tea? I don't understand what is going on here. Can you tell me what is going on?
Is that an insult or what do you mean ordinary tea? Who doesn't know how to, even a child knows how to make tea.
So what rubbish are you talking about? Eh? Ordinary tea, you cannot prepare ordinary tea.
I don't like this now.
What? Why you don't like what? What are you talking about? What rubbish is this?
Why are you shouting on top of your voice now? What have I done? I only made breakfast for you. Have I done something wrong to have made breakfast for you?
Oye, so of what use are you to me? Eh? Ordinary tea, you cannot prepare it.
What is this?
I don't like this nonsense. I don't like this. If not that you are my sister, I would have slapped you. Yes, and I'm serious about it. I don't like this mess up.
You would slap me for what?
I don't like it, please. Don't repeat it next time. Don't try it. Don't try it. Don't joke with me. I worked so hard to bring food for you to be messing it up. I don't like it. please, don't joke with me. I don't like it. Don't try it next time. Be careful with me, please. Rubbish.
What is it now? Did you wake up wrongly?
She never seen it.
What was the laughing about?
Sir?
I said, why are you laughing?
Sorry. Good. It's when I remember the goodness of the Lord in my life. I just laugh. Yes, sir.
Do you know that you're stupid?
No,
Do you know that you're stupid?
no, sir.
I can see that you're overfeeding in this house. Eh? That's why you will leave your chores and be doing nonsense and be laughing. Eh? I'm sure that it's been long that you started sweeping this compound, right? Be careful with me. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, sir.
What did I say?
Be careful with me.
Sorry?
Be careful with me.
I said be careful with me. What did I say?
Be careful with me.
No, you have to say I will be careful with you. Did you hear what I said? Be careful with me. Say it.
Be careful with me.
I said I will be careful with you. Be careful with me.
Be careful with me.
Sorry? Be careful with me.
Akporoka anonyinye ona no go kill the person.
I will leave you. But let me not come back and meet you doing this nonsense. Did you hear what I said? And don't go to my kitchen. Did you hear what I said?
Wahala dey oh.
This too now wire oh.
Do me, I do you. God no go vex so they talk.
This too now wire oh.
With wetting my eyes they see yo. You know they funny again yo.
This too now wire.
Who is that boy? Abuka, what have you done? What have you done? What did you do to the cup of tea I made for my brother?
What do you mean?
What do you mean, what do I mean? Are you mad? Have you gone dumb? The cup of tea I made for my brother suddenly have salt in it. It is your handwork. It is not far from you. The guilt is written all over you. Now tell me, what happened?
You don't even come ask me. You just came with accusation. You won't come accuse me. See this one. I don't blame you, Abby. I don't blame
Oh,
you.
you're pointing at me.
I don't blame you. Oh yeah, I don't blame you.
You're calling me by my name. You're not even denying the fact that you did something wrong. Oh, now my brother sees that I'm of no good to him, right?
See this one. Are you of any good? Are you of any good before?
Am I of any good?
Uh-huh.
Did you just talk to me like that? You know what? I've gotten enough of your excesses. You are leaving this house. But before you leave, I will make sure I deflate you like a condemned tire. You're not leaving this house. Idiot.
This too now wire oh.
See me see wahala. See me see trouble.
Why are you laughing at me? Eh? Why are you laughing? So my life has become an entertainment for you, right?
Oh, no, sorry, Greg.
You are going to pay me. You are going to pay me for it, and I'm serious.
Greg, you will never change. Is it not you again? So is that girl that we saw at the beer parlor last night? You went home and you couldn't stop reminiscing on her curves and everything. Why?
You know me.
Why are you like this?
You know me, man. It's me. I've been waiting for John and for the effect in my life. Eh? Didn't you see her? Looking very...
No, that's what attracted you. I know you now. I know you.
Hey, I like the girl.
I will advise one thing. I mean, I'm your friend and I have to tell you, whenever you are ready to settle down, make sure you get a curvy wife. Else, the marriage will not work.
I am the man. So, I work hard to make money so that I can go for who I want. Eh? Trust me, wait and see. My wife will be If any.
I know you now. It's not you again.
Meat will be everywhere, up and down. You will be touching. Now, why not happy to shaka?
No, I mean, that is your choice, but you were very lucky your sister didn't catch you red-handed.
Catch me doing what? I wasn't doing anything bad. I was just admiring God's perfect architectural dexterity.
That's how you and Cleotide behave. They have a way of answering every question. But I mean, what will your sister do? She already knows the kind of brother she has. I mean, a womanizing brother that wouldn't even want any man to come an inch close to the sister.
Number one, waka for calling me a womanizer. I am not a womanizer. Stop it.
Sorry.
I'm not a womanizer. The truth is this. My sister is naturally endowed and beautiful. But I wouldn't want her to expose herself to the world so that they will make us say her. I don't want her to spoil.
Okay.
So I protect her with all my strength.
Good. And other people, those endowed ones that you go for, are they not somebody's sister?
I'm a man, I'm looking for a wife.
You will never see.
No, I don't want her. I don't want her to expose herself to the world. You know, she's still a kid now. Forget about all those rapid growth and all that. I don't want her to mess up. Okay? Even though we are not sent, but I don't want her. Let me reserve my own.
Then you damage others. Greg, karma is real.
I'm not damaged.
Karma is
I'm
real.
looking for a wife.
Yeah, right. So because you were angry yesterday, you were proving headstrong. Don't even go there. Did you finally eat? Oh, please come off it. I know my boyfriend. You are a foodie. You are a foodie now. Whatever. I know you must have to eat. Okay, once again, honey, I am sorry. I am so sorry for the outburst yesterday. It wasn't intentional. You know, women they can be crazy sometimes, you know. Yeah. Don't worry, sweetheart. I will certainly make it up to you. Most definitely. Honey, please, can I call you in a minute? Or even less than that? Okay, good. Have you gone mad? Have you lost your sanity? What is wrong with you?
I bet you those English this week. I want chop. Or I never did too late for me to eat my breakfast.
So you didn't see I was answering call? You don't have manners anymore? Get out of this place.
Now I stay hungry on fish. Come on, son.
Just don't walk around idiot.
Let's pass the word over. Make sure you're mad.
Honey, please, I'm sorry. One thing that we live with. Such an animal. Disrespectful being. But I'll deal with him. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry.
Akporoka anonyinye ona no go kill the person no.
Akporoka.
Which kind people be this year? Wahala dey. This too.
Send that you're smiling.
I shouldn't smile. I should be crying.
Yeah. This is not interesting like this.
You don't like it?
I like the sack. This is fit. Why did you tell my mom?
That's because it was prepared with my urine.
Just wait. You are joking, right?
Just you did what? Do I look like I'm joking? How dare you? Am I your mate? You shout at me, you order me to go make food for you as what? As your house help or what?
Since what you do now, you go cover for them. I go tell my Oga.
Who be your Oga? No, tell me who will be your Oga? My elder brother? Haven't you lost already? Stupid thing. This is just a tip of the iceberg to the real thing. The next time you try this nonsense, this is just a urine. Urine. Next time we should be carry. Idiot.
See me see wahala de oh.
It's alright.
This too now why oh.
Akporoka and onyinye wetin be una problem oh eh.
This too now why oh.
Akporoka and onyinye mere no hu na ebere yin anu oh.
My clothes. Goodness. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? I know this is your handwork. What is the meaning of this?
What are you talking about?
What do you mean what am I talking about? You brought down my clothes. You brought down my clothes. Are you mad? I say ill. Are you mad? Why would you do that? Then begin to talk now before I kill you and bury you in this house.
I don't understand what you're talking about. Try to explain. With good English.
What is going on here?
Bro, you came in at the right time. I washed my clothes, hung it outside, and this nitwit brought them down.
Awoka,
Sir?
you heard what she said, right? Did you do it?
No, my lie. Oga, my lie. What are they even use that clothes do? Look my size. My lie.
Hey, I'm not talking about wearing. You brought them down. You cannot deny that.
Okay, can you imagine? She even use her cooking dough for me.
Goodness.
What
did you just say?
If to say I don't wash and wipe, would you just want me to taste?
You give full small.
I taste for you.
Shut up.
Bro.
Did you hear what he said?
Bro, please, I'm getting this enough to hear. I'm just telling you what he did to my expensive clothes. And you're asking me, how could that have even in your widest imagination? How could you even think that I would do such a thing? Cook with my urine? Have I gone mad?
I'm confused.
I feel like
Hey, it's okay. Eh? You guys have to take it easy in this house. I don't like this. What is going on? Eh? I'm confused. He said...
Look at my clothes, bro.
Hey, but he complained about urine and all that. Why will you cook with... Oh, it's okay. I'm sorry. I'm not saying you cook, but calm down, okay? I'll get you money. I'll give you money to get snacks. I don't want this. You guys need to allow me to...
What about my clothes?
Don't worry. I'll get you another one. Pick it up. Fix it. I'll get you another one. I need to rest, okay? Did you hear what I said? I said I need to rest. Allow me to rest. I'm tired.
Who knows I no go house?
Go. But man, I want to do something. You get one day what they worry me for my Oga house where they live. They worry me where?
One day what they worry you?
For my God, you don't worry me where?
And now you tell me. When the girls start to worry you, not tell me. Now wait, don't enter well. You get person like sometimes they look you somehow. You get person like me. Person worry you, you not tell me. You leave and me enter well. The next thing I go enter well, very well. You know good now. Will they go now?
No.
Next, can you get that come?
Oh, block it anyway. I want chop or get food.
You want chop? No food for you.
I will go.
You go follow me go outside, they go your side.
I will go. Well, no, go together.
So the kiss you joke, brother. Why? Maruni, trust.
See me see wahala de oh.
This too now.
Well, for what now?
Shut up, I'm not done, shut up. These clothes of mine are dirty, so I want you to wash them.
When that one starts?
Shut up!
No, when that one starts!
Come on, take these clothes and wash. And when I come out to you and you haven't washed and sprayed them, you see what I'll do?
Akburuka and Onyinye.
Oh, yeah.
No go kill the person.
So you. Still don't define myself to see.
Which kind people be this year?
Oh. Moga Kasef. I never watched him since 1 month. Car, wait for me. I'm going to watch you. No sense. Please. Can't give me.
This too now why with wet in my eyes they see yo. You know they funny again yo. This too now why see me see wahala. See me see trouble. Akburuka which kind person you be yo? Even Onyinye, which kind person you be yo? Akburuka na small man with his small body yo. He no gree at all oh. He say he no go carry last oh. See me see wahala oh, wahala dey oh. This too na wire oh. Akburuka and Onyinye, wetin be una problem oh. This too na wire oh. Akburuka and
What are you doing?
I'm not like you. I remember saying I never washed my Ogaka since 1 month. Now I say make I wash them.
Now you say make you wash them.
Hmm.
And what are you washing it with?
Clothes.
Whose clothes?
I don't know. I don't like clothes.
Normal clothes. You don't know. You carry my clothes. You wash out. You are using my clothes to wash. You remain there, idiot. You remain there today. Useless boy. Can you imagine? What gods? You're using my clothes to wash car. If you don't die today, no.
Open this door! Open this door! Oh, you open this door, huh? Oh, you open this door! Open this door, okay?
I no go kill the person oh. This too na wire oh. Which kind people be this year? Wahala dey oh. This too na wire oh. Do me and do you. God you no go vex oh. So they do. This too na wire oh. With wet in my eyes they see yo. You know they funny again yo. This too na wire oh. See me see wahala. See me see trouble. Akburuka which kind person you be yo? Even Onyinye, which kind person you be yo? Akburuka na small man with his small body yo.
And you come back here.
Teacher,
Where do you think you're going?
I'm going to report to my Oga. I'm going to tell her, see, that wickedness really wicked me for this house.
Will you shut up? Shut that thing you call a mouth. Look at you. You should be thanking your God that, I opened that door for you. If not, Hunger would have dealt with you today, idiot. I gave you my clothes to wash. And you had the effrontery to use my expensive clothes to clean my brother's car. I used to die. You know, I can kill you here now. And nobody will not take you.
What's going on here? What is it? Why won't you guys allow me to rest in this house for once? What is going on? Eh?
Ask this fool.
What did he do?
I gave this boy my clothes to wash. And he had the effrontery to use my clothes to clean your car.
And why did you give him your clothes to wash?
And what kind of question is that? Has he not been washing my clothes?
We have washing machine here. Why can't you wash the clothes yourself?
Why would I wash it? No, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. I will not take it. What do you mean? How can you be talking to me like that in preference of this boy so that you will not have right to talk to me anyhow?
Please.
You send me message. Why can't I send you message?
Please allow me. I don't like all these things. You won't allow me rest?
How? Talk to him first. Don't be doing that. I don't like it though. I don't like it. How can you be taking sides with a stranger more than your sister?
I'm not taking sides.
You are taking sides, and I will not take it.
Abuka, please leave here.
Rubbish.
Get out.
Get out. Come on, get out.
No.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. How can you be taking sides with me?
Respect me for what?
I will not respect you in this one. There's no respect for you.
You will not respect me?
Yes, I won't.
You're in my house, you know that.
I will, and so what? Are you not my brother?
You have to be careful.
I will not. I will not. I'm telling you what he just did to me now. You don't say anything.
This guy is a kid.
Don't tell me anything.
This guy is a little kid. Don't kill this guy. You want me to send him out to where? Where do I send him out to? Eh? Someone that you know that I picked up from the dojo. Someone that you know that doesn't have anything. I don't understand it. You every of the duties in the house, you give it to Abuka to do it. Be careful with me. I don't like it. Everyday trouble. What is all this one now? I will not rest in my house. I don't like this nonsense at all. Get me food I want to eat now before I go out. If you like, be there, be doing nonsense. Or you wait for Abuka to come and prepare my food, the food I will eat now. If we don't have Abuka in this house, you will not wash your clothes. I don't get it too. Rubbish. Get my food now, please.
Akburuka anonyinye, ona no go kill the person.
This too na wire.
Which kind people be this year? Wahala dey.
This too na wire.
Do me, I do you. God you no go vex so they do.
This too na wire.
Oye, get me water, please. Right? I don't get it. What's the meaning of this?
What is this?
What's going on here?
What is this now?
You're asking me?
I'm surprised because this was not what I served you. I served you soup and fufu.
Then how come it disappeared? I don't understand what is going on.
Who could have done this?
I don't like this, Oye. Stop all this drama now in this house now. When will this end? When will this end? I don't like this at all. What is the meaning of this now? Eh?
Abuka! Abuka! Where's that useless thing? Abuka!
What is it? What is it?
Sweetie, I see for sister room. When I go ask her, say where my food is.
Are you sure you saw this in her room?
Yes, sir.
Oye.
I knew this would be your handwork. Why would you carry this food? This was what I served you, brother.
Yes,
I personally served you this food, and this was what I kept here. This idiot. Why would you carry it?
So you're playing with you guys are playing with my food, right? Is that what it means? You're playing with my food. You cannot serve me food too. You cannot get me something to eat in this house.
This was what I saved you.
And then how come who took it away from here?
Did you see me in the dining? It's not me.
Will you shut up?
It's not you.
But do you think, brother, that I would serve you water to eat with? Is it possible?
I don't understand. I don't know because I don't want this drama
I will kill you in
anymore.
this house.
I'm not eating this food again. So you brought it from where? From
her
Stop, you blatant liar.
Hey, shut up. Let me call someone. Let me call them to get me something good to eat. What is all this now? You're messing with something I will take in? Let me order for food. Rubbish. Let me order for food. Let me call them.
God will punish you. God will punish you.
Akburuka anonyinye, ona no go kill the person.
This too na wire.
Which kind people be this year? Wahala dey.
This too na wire.
Who dey there? Who dey there?
God you no go vex so they do.
This too na wire.
With wetin my eyes they see yo, you know they for me again yo. see wahala, see me see trouble. Akburuka, which kind person you be, yo? Even on you, which kind person you be, yo? Akburuka na small man with his small body, yo. He no agree at all, oh. Say he no go carry last, oh. See me see wahala, oh, wahala de, oh.
This too now why oh.
Akburuka and Onyinye, waiting be on a problem, oh.
This too.
I come. We go for a job. You know that. I'm going to go. Let's say if you want for the jobs, and they go shut down. I rather if you want to die again. Chat, I will catch up with him and enjoy it.
I don't want you. Get out of here. Get out of my sight now, please.
I'm sorry now.
I said get out of here now. Get out. Hello? What's holding you? Yes, I made an order now. The dispatcher is closed. Hold on. Abroka. Did you see any delivery man? He just called me, yes. He's meant to deliver my package.
Man, bring food, come on. You not even waste time. I feel something. The food sweet.
I don't get it. I ordered for food and you're eating it here. What sort of
rubbish? Your own, no.
Eh?
Of your own. The man bring us some cat.
Are you mad?
Sir?
Are you stupid? Right, come here. Abroka, come back here. Abroka, come back here. Come back here. Come here, I said, come here. Come back here. Come back here, Abroka. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back here. Abroka. I said, come here. Come here. Stop there. Yes, stop there. Abroka. Stop there. Abroka.
Sir.
I said you should stop there.
Stop here.
Abroka.
Stop here.
Come here. 1, 2.
Sir.
You're joking with me, right?
No,
You're playing with me. Come out here. I'm not joking with you. Come out here. Abroka. Okay. Don't worry. How much is your salary?
50,000, sir.
Okay. Henceforth, your new salary is 25,000 naira. Oh yes, 25,000 naira. That's your new salary, and it takes effect from this coming month. And that's fine now.
Okay, why now?
Why now?
Raise your hand. They told you to raise your hand. You're bringing it down everywhere.
Why now? Are you stupid? Are you mad? Sorry. Why will you ask me questions?
Sorry.
Take your hands off. I said separate those hands.
And going forward, you'll be eating 2 times in this house. 2 times a day in this house.
Noted.
Take Take your hands up.
Did you hear what I said?
It's okay. It's okay by me. I like it.
It's okay by you?
Do you have a choice?
Rubbish. Let me see. I want you to sit up.
Sir?
I want you to sit up in this house. Every day you'll be eating blah 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 blah.
Raise
blah,
your
blah,
hands.
blah,
Separate it. Separate it. Separate it all.
My baby. My beautiful one. My tata. I love you, right?
I know.
And I'm ready to take care of you as you want.
So you're ready to give me anything?
Anything you want, just name it. I'll get it done for you.
I just want to love.
And I'm ready to love you well.
Okay. So, babe, why is it that you don't want to take me to your house?
Oh.
Like, we have not been to your house.
Yeah, I know. Coming to that, let me just tell you this truth. My mom is in my place.
Even like that?
I wouldn't want her to see you now. You know, she's under medications and all that. So I would want to introduce you formally to her as my wife to be.
When?
Very soon. Very soon. I will love you. I will cherish you. I'll take care of you. I'll be there for you. Always.
Okay.
I will not fade you.
Always.
I will not fade you.
Okay, baby. Baby.
Let me massage you. You want it?
My feet.
Your feet, okay. Let me take care of it. Anything for my baby, I'll do that. Oh
Baby,
yeah.
what's the money you promised me?
You want money?
Yeah.
I'll give you money, don't worry. How much do you want?
2 million.
2 million?
Yeah.
I don't get it. What are you using 2 million for?
You dey search for fine baby, wey get a big body, sing nice for me. Iyelele, body don dey sweet to you.
Are you okay?
Huh?
Are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Oh, so sorry, right?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Where are you headed to?
I'm just jogging around the estate.
Oh, okay. Let me take you home, right? Yes, let me take you home.
Okay.
I'm so sorry. Sorry, right?
Thank you.
Oh, good. Sorry.
Fine lady, one day we go know. You dey hear more. Fine baby, fine lady, who she be? Them full everywhere. Fine baby, get to who she be. Who she be? One day we go know. Take a life with Jeje. If I'm not to turn you dey hear more. Look well.
Ebuka say you're looking for me.
Yeah, I told me to go. I won't give you money. Me come to work. Me you dey. That girl one of them. I told him go out work.
I will go to. I know they stay here now.
Yeah, now what I want to now. Eba, you can now Eba, and that gonna go for with free food. That gonna get what they need.
I go work here.
And they gonna pay you well.
I know you ain't gonna touch.
Eh, I gonna touch you on a daily basis.
Hey, yeah, it's a bonus.
Let's go to Nana.
So
how we go do?
So how much you go pay me? You know I don't joke with money.
Money, no, I got block this so now. Money is not the problem. I go pass.
Money is not the problem.
Tata.
Okay, kukwa. Okay, well, let's go inside. Let me go and start.
Let you guys start with.
Come back, me now. Ha! I don't resume duty now. Show me where I go to sleep.
Where is your bag?
Okay, joke. Okay, I'm going to start at the walking up phone.
Okay, Abuka. I'm hearing you. You can speak now. Go ahead.
Okay.
Yes.
She's my ear. You know, say, how they manage this house, manage even they open the clothes. This is my one mission. Yes, and I cannot carry it. I don't think I am. And now I didn't like say I had the trouble for this house. So I can't bring this woman. Maybe they help me to stay for it. The woman very strong. With the fear for our village, now she will do only security. She don't catch like 40 thieves.
Are you serious?
And she is spiritually strong.
No, it's okay, it's okay. Hi. How are you?
Very, very fine.
Can I know you? Who are you? What's your name?
My village, they call me women leader. But in town, in this job, you can call me anything that is better for us.
It's fine, it's fine. And you want to work for me?
That's the reason why I'm here. Don't you see what he said? That in the village everybody is looking for me. Even the Igwe don't know I escaped to come and help him and help you too. Because he told me everything that is going ura 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 ura. I said, how can things be going ura ura on my brother's side? Let me come with my full power. In fact, with me alone, everything that has to do with security checkup is on my palm.
What? Hold on. I want to understand something. He said, "Is in your palms." Are you referring to voodoo? I mean, juju. Do you do juju? Did you come to my house with juju?
No, it's not like it's juju. It's just like spiritual checkup, like
Spiritual ginger.
yes, ginger I'll be using to look everywhere. The whole street, everywhere will be quiet.
Is that what you have in your bag there?
Yeah. He didn't tell him. This is bullet.
Bullet.
Yeah, jogong. Ha! If I told you money map, neighbors will start coming for security checkup too. Nobody, they not born you well to come here.
Oh, is that what you're assuring me now?
I am telling you.
If I shut us, they also.
That's bullet for your body.
Hey, stop it.
Okay.
Are you okay? Shut up! Hey, don't mess up here. Don't do any nonsense here.
Just keep quiet, let me take slow and stand. Cause, Papa go now.
Sorry?
Take it slow, let me just move motion and stand up. Cause don't worry, you know, grrrr.
Sorry? Are you okay? In my house?
Ajay!
In my house?
No.
Please, look, I don't know. I don't want this. Okay, you can do that at the gate, but don't do it here. Did you hear what I said?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Then how much do you want me to pay you? Because I want to discuss that with you to be sure. What is that?
I just, when I remember the goodness of the Lord in my life, I just.
That's how we get.
How much do you want me to pay?
Okay. Pay me 350,000.
What? 350,000 naira? Are you okay?
Okay. Pay me 250 because of bullet that is in this thing.
Hey, don't worry. Go and talk with him. Okay? Later you come to me. I don't want you to come to me. Just discuss with him what you want me to pay. Then later you come to me. You can go now. Thank you. You're welcome. If you need anything, tell him. He will do that for you. If you need food, he will get you food. Whatever thing you need, tell him. Do you understand what I'm saying? Do not try any of these around this place. Stop it. Thank you.
Woman leader. I have to.
You will not change.
Aboka, see me later, right?
Okay.
What of me?
Don't come.
Okay, I should see Apro.
Don't worry. Yeah, see him. Tell him whatever you want. He will relate to me.
Who is that person that is running that door? Who is that person?
Will you open this gate? Something wrong with you.
Who is that person? Who are you?
You're asking me who I am?
Who are you?
In my brother's house, are you mad? Who is this?
Who is even shouting
Open this gate!
Nonsense!
Open this gate!
For what? For what?
In my own brother's house. Are you mad? Who are you? What are you doing here? Eh? Who is this? Aburuka!
What? Wait now, I'm asking you something. Are you the one that planted that brook?
Hey! What? Did you just touch me?
I'm telling you.
Wait, did you just touch me?
Who are you?
Do you know who I am? My brother owns this house and you don't have any right whatsoever to touch me again. Otherwise, I'll deal with you personally.
You think I'm joking with you? Do you know the oath I took in this place? Huh? That nobody, no fly, no witch, no wizard will enter this place without proper searching. And they're just going as if you're the one that even do foundation in this place.
And you didn't ask questions. You did not ask questions. Listen, my brother owns this house. And if you dare as much as come close to me again, you will be relieved of your duties. Do you understand? Besides, who even kept you here? Who kept you in this gate? Aburuka!
Stop shouting in this place. Call the person you want to call. You
must be mad. You must be mad.
Yes.
Listen, I have access to this house anytime I want, and you don't have it. Oh my! Why am I even explaining myself to this man?
See, I don't even know. Yeah. See, listen to me.
Woman man.
Listen to me. I don't want to.
Woman man.
If I beat you,
beat who?
You change Taliban. I swear to Almighty God.
Hey.
With this your side, you change Taliban. I don't want to touch you.
I have seen something.
Okay, for taking a V-boot, respect. No one respect.
In my brother's house.
Go back. Just go back. Call your brother.
Okay. This madness has got to stop. Hello, bro. Bro? Listen, I don't know who kept one miserable mad woman at the gate. You? No, the fool refused me access to our house. She's insulting me. She just pushed me.
Me fool. Okay.
Okay. Here.
Start shouting.
I said, take the phone and talk to the owner of the house.
Here.
Come on, take it. Idiots.
You're starting who will beat you. Hello, who is this? Come on, sir. Let's spread the call, huh? Huh? I don't know if she's your sister now. No, I'm just trying to do my duty. Now I promise you, no winch, no wizard. Nobody will enter this house without my notice. No, it won't happen again. Sure.
God will punish you. When my brother comes out, you're gone. You're gone. Look at you.
Akporoka anonyinye ona no go kill the person. This too na wire. Which kind people be this year?
I see you. I like what you did just now. I like because you just did like you know.
I know him before. I don't know her now.
Thank you. I like.
And you know you're owing me balance.
I know now.
Good.
Akporoka anonyinye ona no go kill the person. This too na wire. Which kind people be this year? Wahala dey.
If you have any issue with my sister, if you have any problem with her, suspend it tomorrow. Don't bring it on. I know both of you love drama. Yes. You love to display drama and do all sort of childish stuff. I don't want it tomorrow. Suspend it, take it back.
With due respect, bro.
Yes.
I don't like the fact that you compare me with this small boy. If you want to say anything, just make yourself clear without comparing me as if I'm the one giving issues in this house.
It's okay. Oh yeah, listen to me. All I'm saying is that I don't want any issue tomorrow.
I've never had issues.
If you like, have issues. If you like, don't have issues. But what I'm saying is that if Abroka here errs or does anything that you're not comfortable with,